Hello everybody, Basso Contour here, and today I'm showing you how to replace the brush roller in your vacuum cleaner. I'm using a power screwdriver to remove the 5 or 6 screws and remove the frame. And then it's pretty simple, you simply pull out the old brush roller. Take it away from the belt. Then you get the new one, and you're going to go ahead and put it inside the belt. And perhaps this part takes a little bit of patience. This might be the most difficult part of the effort, which is to get it seated in properly. And then you're going to put the structure back on and install the 5 or 6 screws all over again. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, everybody.